Hi. So now, welcome to the Sunday grooming session. I really have got a lot of facial hair, and today I would be showing you how I remove my facial hair at home. So let's get started. First of all, I have just cleansed my face nicely with the Kaya Purifying Cleanser. So this is a really good, a really mild cleanser for your morning routines. Now after this, I would be applying any gel. So I currently have the Good Vibes orange gel. So I would be applying a nice layer of it before I will start removing my hair. I don't prefer removing my hair without any protective layer because nowadays my skin is behaving very dry. Yeah, so I have applied this, and now I would be using a facial razor. So I have used various facial razors. The earlier one I used was from Miniso. This is from Latlive, and this is also quite a good facial razor. You get many out there in the market, so you can try any. Now the first and the basic rule is never place it perpendicular to your skin. Okay, so always just hold it tightly and then just slide it down. Can you see that? In small layers. Okay, don't overboard, don't try to cover the entire area in one go. Just in small sections, try to do it. Then remove it on a cotton pad or any tissue, and then complete it like that. You'll be amazed to know that during the lockdown, I even used this for my eyebrows and for my upper lips. Also, you can just take it a little to your neck. Just see the angle that I'm using. Never use it directly at a perpendicular angle. Yeah, you can use it on your neck as well. So you can see all the facial hair without any pain is done. And I have got a lot of DMs asking that will the hair become thick after you use a facial razor? Now, even my husband teases me using you are using a Ustra and you will get really thick hair. But I am using it since a year, more than a year, and nothing of that sort has happened. So please be rest assured the hair growth will be normal as it is, and also it will, with time it will reduce. So don't worry about it. You can use it without any concerns. So quickly like this, I will complete this side of the face and then I will be back. Yes, so I have cleaned both the sides, and now it's the turn for my upper lips and for my eyebrows. So just hold your lip like this. Though my upper lips are not that much grown, but I don't know whether you can see it. But yeah, there are really very small hair. These small. Okay. And then for my eyebrows also, I'll just be removing the extras. So just lift it a little, close your eyes, and very slowly just try to remove the extra hair. Yeah, and then you can cut these, the ones which are there in front. Okay. Similarly, from here also, just remove the extra hair that you don't want. By tightening your skin, it becomes easier to use the razors. Now, I don't do my forehead. If you like, you can go with that also. So yes, this was all about how I use the facial razors at home. Then after this, I'll just quickly wash my face and we'll go with the face pack. Okay, I have washed my face. Yes, a very less facial hair now. By removing your facial hair, your skin also becomes smooth, it gets exfoliated, and also it is very easy when you apply makeup. It looks smooth. Okay. Then for today's face pack, we would be using the Earth Rhythm's cleansing buff in the variant hibiscus and rose. So let's get started with mixing it. So in a bowl, I'm just taking a scoop of the powder. Okay, I have taken it. As you can see, I have taken this much, and in this you can add water, you can add rose water. I would be adding the aloe vera gel from the Natural Wash. I love this aloe vera gel, by the way. It smells also good, and it has got some golden particles in it, so which gives a really nice glow to the skin. So I'm just taking a scoop of this also. Okay. Oh, so sorry. And then I'm just mixing it. If needed, you can go with some additional water. So I'm trying to mix it. Okay, so it's nicely mixing. I like the fresh color this cleansing buff has. It also has particles of hibiscus and rose. Yes, so here is the face pack, and now with the help of a spatula, I'm very bad at handling things. I'm just gonna apply it all over. Okay, this cute spatula is again from Earth Rhythm. And please, this is not a sponsored video. I have brought all the products with my own money. Okay, now this cleansing buff is really nice. First of all, it refreshes your skin. It gives your skin a soothing and a cooling effect. It helps with your acne, calms down your skin, cleanses your skin, brightens your skin. So it has got many benefits. Also, it can be used in 3 ways: as your daily cleanser, a powdered cleanser, as a scrub, and as a face mask. So I'm applying it as a face mask because I have just exfoliated my skin already with the facial razor, so I don't want to go overboard with exfoliation, and so I will not scrub it off. The spatula is really cute. I mean, it's cute also, and it helps in applying the face pack really nicely. So a little is left, so I will apply it. Now, the aloe vera I have used in this will help me to get that moisture back. Also, it will soothe my skin because of the facial razor. There was a little stress and tension in my skin. Now, that will also be removed. That's why I used aloe vera. You can use rose water, any hydrosol of your choice, or with normal water also. Okay. Yes. So I am done with applying the face pack. I'll wait until it dries properly. Okay guys, so this was my Sunday exfoliation, my Sunday skincare. Now after it dries, I'll wait for 15-20 minutes. After it dries, I'll wash it off, I'll apply my skincare as I do, and then I'm good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this. One more thing, this cute little pot for the face mask, I got it from Latlib again. It comes with 3 spoons, really cute spoons, and also a spatula so that you can mix. I think you can also apply with this, but I like this one better for application. Again, this is also available in Latlib, so you can go and choose from it. Thank you. Bye bye.